Hi everyone! Are you looking for new ideas for your business? Well, here I show you a good option, but for sure it's gonna be a quick sale. Let's begin. These are the materials of today. We're gonna cut 45 centimeters, and before we start, we're gonna melt it. And now we're gonna cut 130 centimeters. And now we're gonna start making the basic knot. Here I show you the step by step so you can follow them. And here I show you from closer so you can pay close attention. And we're gonna continue making the basic knot until we have 5 centimeters. And once we have our 5 centimeters of basic knot, we're gonna introduce two crystals in each side. It means two on the left, two in the middle, and two in the right. Once we have the crystals, we're gonna make a basic knot as a support. Make sure to make the square shape. We're gonna repeat the process, two crystals in each side and two knots. We're gonna make 5 centimeters of crystals. Once we finish with that, we're gonna continue with the basic knot. And again, we're gonna make 5 centimeters of basic knot. Once we finish, we're gonna cut it. And now we're gonna melt it. The complete bracelet is about 15 centimeters. As the next step, we're gonna make the sliding closing knot. This is of 25 centimeters. For the closing knot, we're gonna make the basic knot. We're gonna make around 7 to 8 knots. Once we finish with the closing knot, we're gonna cut. And we're gonna melt. Remember that it's not to burn, just to melt. And now you can choose the size you like the most. And now we're gonna introduce the crystals in each side. And we're gonna finish with a simple knot. At the end of the video, I will show you how it looks. And now we're gonna cut and melt the rest. And this is how it looks at the end. It is an easy way to earn some extra money by home. It looks beautiful and it is perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.